Hello, namaste, annyeonghaseyo, hola, privyet. Today I am going to make a very quick and simple Christmas card which you can make within 3 to 5 minutes. Mix deep green, sap green and lemon yellow colors and start making mistletoe leaves. Now mix red and yellow colors, which we will use later. For now, I will just use red acrylic color to paint the ribbon. Follow the process to see exactly which paint has been used and when. After painting the lips, there comes the last part, which is writing Christmas wishes. I have written Merry Christmas. You can write other words like Holly Jolly, Warm Wishes, or Happy Xmas using any pen. Doesn't this card look cute? Make small cards like this and give them to your friends and relatives.